Make sure it's, there it goes. Okay. So what we're going to do is, have you taken fluency tests at school before? Where you read for a minute and your teacher will read along with you and she'll see how many words you read a minute. You've done that? Yeah? This one is a little different. We're only going to read to 100 words. Okay? So it doesn't matter how long it takes you. We're just going to read right to that spot. Okay?
Okay.
And we're going to start with 3rd grade because you're in 3rd grade. Ooh, sorry. And if that's too easy for you, then I have some others that we can read. Or if it's too hard, I have some others we can read too. Okay? Let me just mark where I end. And all I'm going to be doing is kind of the same thing your teacher does. Just marking where, if you have trouble with a word. Okay? So, not nervous?
No, not really.
No? Okay. Alright. Let me first tell my teacher who I am, and then you can tell my teacher who you are. So we're recording. Ready? Okay. So I'm Villanueva, and this is
Leland.
Leland. Thank you, Leland. Okay. So we're going to start with this story. It's called Sun Facts. Okay? And you're just going to do the best you can. We're not timing you. No rush. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Go ahead whenever you're ready.
The sun is important to everything on Earth. Light and heat from the sun give warmth and energy to all life on the plants. But the sun is really just a star. It looks large because it is much closer to us than other stars. Compared because it is much closer. With other stars, the sun is just medium-sized, but compared with Earth, it is very large indeed. If the sun were a hollow ball, it would take 1 million Earth-sized balls to fill it up. The temperature of any place on Earth depends on the position of the sun. Places near the equator are.
All right. Thank you. You almost got it. It's equator. Yeah. Very close, though. Very close. Did pretty good. Okay. Do you want to try a different one?
Sure.
Sure. All right. I'll keep this one. And this one. Okay. Soccer camp. How about that one?
Okay.
All right. You're going to stop right on that word. I'm going to stop on that word. And we should be good. Okay? All right. Go ahead when you're ready.
Kate and her big brother Ted like to play soccer. They are always bouncing or kicking a soccer ball. They play in the driveway and kick the ball into a net. Sometimes Kate and Ted play on the grass in their yard. On rainy days, they play in the basement. They go to soccer camp in the summer. This summer, Ted goes to a different camp. Kate doesn't want to go to camp by herself. She frowns on her way to the field, but then she stops and smiles. She sees boys and girls running and kicking soccer balls.
All right. You didn't get anything on that one. Congratulations. All right. You want to try? Let's do one more, okay?
Okay.
Just one more. All right. Let me find it. printed all sorts of stories out. And then I realized they're first grade. So can't use that one. My goodness. Alright. Okay. Let's see. Okay, this one's called the Saturday Morning Project. Okay. Again, let me mark where you stop. Thank you, shape. Okay. Alright, go ahead when you are ready.
On Friday night, Julia slept over at Grandpa's house. She was excited. She did not know what to expect. Grandma always surprised her. The next morning, Grandma said they would make pancakes. First, they sniffed flour, salt, and baking powder into a bowl. Next, Julia beat eggs in another bowl. Grandma melted butter in a pot. She added the melted butter and milk to the eggs. After that, Julia added the dry ingredients. Then she stirred everything together. The best part came next. Grandma cooked the batter. She did not just make any old pancakes. They were in the shape.
All right. Thank you very much. We're all done.
Yay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to turn off the camera and we'll be done. Okay? All right.